Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we're diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling jump starters, battery chargers, and portable power products on Amazon. We've scoured the market to bring you the top-rated, most reliable, and highly reviewed items that will keep you powered up and ready to go, whether you're at home or on the road. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about a game changer for your car battery needs. Number 5 on our countdown is the YONHAN battery charger, a powerhouse packed into a compact design. This isn't just a battery charger, it's your all-in-one solution. Imagine having a device that acts as a battery charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and even a battery desulfator. This 10-amp marvel handles both 12V and 24V batteries with ease, covering automotive, marine, and deep cycle batteries, including AGM, GL, SLA, and flooded. Whether it's for your car, truck, SUV, motorcycle, lawnmower, or boat, the YONHAN battery charger has got you covered. Now, precision charging is what sets this charger apart. Your vehicle deserves the best, and the YONHAN delivers. With a backlit LCD, you can easily see the charging and battery status at a glance. The integrated thermal sensor is a stroke of genius, adjusting the charge according to the ambient temperature. This ensures your battery is neither overcharged in hot climates nor undercharged in cold ones. But wait, there's more. This charger comes with an advanced battery repair mode. Don't let a dead battery ruin your day. The high-frequency and low-frequency pulse technology works wonders in recovering old or idle batteries, significantly extending their lifespan. However, note that while it's great for repair and maintenance, it won't resurrect a completely dead or damaged battery, nor is it suitable for lithium batteries. Safety is paramount with the YONHAN battery charger. It boasts 8 charging protections. Overcharge, overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, it's all taken care of. The heat-resistant and oxidation-resistant copper wire ensures durability and reliability. You can trust this charger to protect your battery and keep your vehicle ready to go. Finally, the intelligent memory function is the cherry on top. Once your battery is charged, the YONHAN remembers the mode used before the last power failure. No need for complicated steps, just plug and charge. Simplicity and efficiency, all in one powerful package. So, if you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and intelligent battery charger, the YONHAN battery charger is your perfect companion. Don't get stranded again. Equip yourself with the best and keep your battery in top condition, ready for whatever the road throws at you. Ladies and gentlemen, let's dive into number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling jump starters, battery chargers, and portable power on Amazon. Presenting the 150W Power Inverter, a compact powerhouse that transforms your car's 12 VDC power into 110 VAC power, delivering 150 watts continuously and peaking at 300 watts. Whether it's charging string lights for your campsite, powering up your laptop for some on-the-go work, or keeping your CPAP machine running during a road trip, this inverter has got you covered. Need fast charging? The 150W Power Inverter comes equipped with a 110 VAC outlet, perfect for larger devices like laptops and tablets. Plus, it features dual USB ports to power up your smaller gadgets simultaneously. Charge your devices efficiently and keep the entertainment rolling, no matter where you are. Safety first, folks. This inverter is designed with a double protection mechanism, a smart chip paired with a built-in fuse. If a fault is detected, it automatically shuts off the current output and alerts you with a red light. No more hassles with replacing fuses. It's all about convenience and safety wrapped into one sleek package. Traveling? No problem. This ultra-compact and lightweight inverter is roughly the size of a credit card, measuring just 3.4 x 2.5 x 1.5 inches and weighing a mere 8 ounces. Slip it into your bag or glove compartment effortlessly. It's your ideal travel companion, saving space without sacrificing power. Durability? Check. The metal housing provides robust protection against drops and collisions, ensuring your inverter stays intact and functional. Advanced safety features prevent overheating, reverse connection, undervoltage, overvoltage, overload, and short circuits. In essence, The 150W power inverter is not just a power solution, it's peace of mind on the go. Keep your devices charged, stay connected, and travel with confidence. Your journey just got a whole lot easier and a lot more powered up. Let's delve into the powerhouse that's securing the third spot in our countdown of the top 5 best-selling jump starters, battery chargers, and portable power devices on Amazon. Introducing the Astro AI S8 car battery jump starter, a compact yet formidable gadget ready to tackle any roadside emergency. High-performance jump starting is the name of the game. This jump starter boasts a whopping 1,500 A peak current, designed to kickstart low-voltage and fully drained batteries with ease. Equipped with a 45C high-rate lithium battery, it can effortlessly start engines up to 6.0L for gas and 3.0L for diesel. From motorcycles to SUVs, pickups, and even lawnmowers, this device has you covered. What makes the Astro AI S8 truly exceptional is its ultra-powerful boost. The Smart Boost mode automatically detects the battery's voltage. If it's less than 9V, the indicator flashes green, unlocking the boost button. One press, and even the most drained batteries spring back to life. Safety? Absolutely. This jump starter comes with quality metal clamps and a smart jumper cable, offering robust protection against excessive heat, loose ports, battery bulging, and expansion. Comprehensive safety features include 8 integrated protections: reverse polarity, reverse connection, overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, overcharge, over-discharge, and short-circuit protection. Your journey is safeguarded from every angle. Despite its power, the Astro AI S8 is incredibly portable and compact. Measuring just 7.9 by 4.5 by 3.7 inches and weighing a mere 0.95 pounds, it fits easily in your car or travel bag. Say goodbye to bulky lead-acid jump starters and hello to convenience and peace of mind on every trip. But wait, there's more. The Astro AI S8 is a 5-in-1 multifunctional device. It's not just a jump starter, it's also a portable power bank and an LED flashlight with 3 modes: flashlight, strobe, and SOS. Whether you're charging your phone or lighting up the night, this jump starter is your all-around trip companion, ready to gear you up for every adventure. In summary, the Astro AI S8 car battery jump starter is your go-to solution for reliable, high-performance jump starting, comprehensive safety, and unparalleled convenience. Equip yourself with this versatile tool and ensure your travels are always smooth and worry-free. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling jump starters, battery chargers, and portable power on Amazon? Well, don't get left in the dark. Spark up your support by liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell icon so you never miss a jolt of our electrifying content. Next up, holding the number 2 spot in our countdown of the top 5 best-selling jump starters, battery chargers, and portable power devices on Amazon, is the NOCO GENIUS1. This isn't just a charger, it's a revolutionary all-in-one solution that's redefining the way we think about battery maintenance and charging. Meet the GENIUS1. It's like the G750, but better in every way. Imagine something 35% smaller, yet packing over 35% more power. This is the ultimate universal charging solution. Battery charger, battery maintainer, trickle charger, float charger, and battery desulfator all rolled into one compact device. Versatility is its middle name. Designed for both 6-volt and 12-volt sealed lead-acid batteries, this charger handles automotive, marine, RV, power sport, and deep cycle batteries effortlessly. Whether it's flooded, gel, AGM, SLA, VRLA, maintenance-free, or even lithium-ion batteries, the GENIUS1 has you covered. Now, let's talk about precision. The integrated digital thermal sensor detects ambient temperature and adjusts the charge accordingly, preventing overcharging in hot climates and undercharging in cold ones. It's smart, efficient, and incredibly reliable. Got a dead battery? No problem. The GENIUS1 can charge batteries as low as 1 volt, but it doesn't stop there, introducing the all-new Force mode. This allows you to manually start charging dead batteries down to 0 volts. It's about control and ensuring you're never left stranded. Restoring battery performance is another forte of the GENIUS1. The advanced battery repair mode uses slow pulse reconditioner technology to detect battery sulfation and acid stratification. This restores lost battery performance, leading to stronger engine starts and extended battery life. But it's not just about maintenance. The GENIUS1 goes beyond that. It's a fully automatic, worry-free smart battery charger designed for everyday use, 24/7 with zero overcharge. It's the epitome of set-and-forget convenience. And compatibility? It's unparalleled. Whether it's cars, motorcycles, dirt bikes, scooters, mopeds, lawnmowers, ATVs, UTVs, tractors, trucks, SUVs, RVs, campers, trailers, boats, PWCs, jet skis, snowmobiles, golf carts, or classic cars, the GENIUS1 can charge and maintain them all. In summary, the NOCO GENIUS1 is more than just a smart charger. It's an all-encompassing power solution that delivers reliability, precision, and advanced technology in one sleek, compact package. Equip your garage with this essential tool and ensure every battery in your life gets the best care possible. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The #1 spot in our countdown of the top 5 best-selling jump starters, battery chargers, and portable power devices on Amazon. Introducing the NOCO Boost Plus GB40, a 1000A UltraSafe car battery jump starter that's redefining the way you think about portable power. Start dead batteries in seconds with this powerhouse. The GB40 is a compact yet immensely powerful lithium battery jump starter, delivering up to 20 jump starts on a single charge. Whether you're dealing with a gasoline engine up to 6.0 liters, or a diesel engine up to 3.0 liters, this device gets the job done effortlessly. Safety is paramount with the GB40. It's not just about power, it's about being ultra-safe. With a mistake-proof design, you can connect to any 12-volt vehicle without worrying about incorrect connections or sparks. The spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection ensure that you can jumpstart your car with complete peace of mind. But wait, there's more. This is a multifunctional marvel. The GB40 is not just a jump starter, it's also a portable power bank and an LED flashlight. Need to recharge your smartphone, tablet, or other USB devices? No problem. This device charges them quickly and efficiently, and it's easily rechargeable from any powered USB port in just 3 hours at 2.1 amps. Plus, the integrated 100-lumen LED flashlight comes with 7 light modes, including emergency strobe and SOS, making it an essential tool for any situation. Designed with advanced technology, the GB40 boasts high-discharge lithium technology for safe operation in any climate. Its rugged and water-resistant enclosure is rated at IP65, ensuring durability and reliability. The rubberized, overmolded casing prevents scratching or marring of surfaces, and despite its powerful capabilities, it's ultra-compact and lightweight, weighing in at just 2.4 pounds. Inside the box, you'll find the GB40 UltraSafe portable car jump starter, heavy-duty booster clamps, a 12-volt car charger, a micro USB charging cable, a microfiber storage bag, a user guide, and a 1-year warranty. And it's proudly designed in the USA, ensuring top-notch quality and performance. In essence, the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 is the epitome of portable power solutions. Powerful, safe, multifunctional, and designed to withstand the toughest conditions, it's the ultimate companion for any vehicle owner. Equip yourself with the best and experience the unmatched reliability and convenience of the NOCO Boost Plus GB40. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling jump starters, battery chargers, and portable power on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top products, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the best sellers we covered today. Until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon.